I'm here with OpenCorp Senior Property Strategist and Investor Extraordinaire, Kosta Maltaris. Kosta, good to see you. You spend all day, every day, talking to clients, helping them get started and helping them build portfolios. What is the most common question that you get asked on a daily basis?
Yeah, thanks, Michael. It's great to be here. The most common question I get asked by first-time investors is Kosta, how can I afford to hold an investment property, let alone build a portfolio in addition to the mortgage on my own home? Michael, as we know, with an investment property, you've got almost $50,000 worth of income if we include the rental returns and the tax credits that you don't have with your own home. And that, of course, helps you hold the property in most instances, but looking at maybe $100 to $150 per week out of pocket conservatively. The second most common question I get asked once people have started their journey is, Kosta, when do I go again? Okay, when should I buy my second property? And my answer is always the same, Michael. When you've got the borrowing capacity and the servicing capabilities and your job's stable and you've got buffers in place, why wait? Okay, our property markets don't grow in a linear fashion. They cycle over time, and we want to make sure that we're capturing that growth sooner rather than later.
It's such a good point that you're getting, as you said, $50,000 worth of income that you haven't got today to cover the vast majority of the holding costs. And provided you're smart about what you buy, it can be a lot less, obviously, if you're not smart about what you buy. So that part's really important. But given that the really tight rental market right now and the vacancy rates being so low, rents are going up dramatically, right? And I know I have exactly the same experience that you do. Clients are like, when can I duplicate? When can I go again? They only need to see a rent increase or two, and they can hold two properties for what it cost them to hold the first one at the start. And then they're off and running, right? It's really, really easy to kind of start to get the power of compound growth. So final question for you, Kosta. You've been an investor for 15 years. You've done really, really well. What was your light bulb moment when, I guess, you realized that investment was the path forward for you?
Yeah, look, once again, I started my journey 15 years ago, but there was lots of education and research for maybe 5 to 7 years prior. The light bulb moment for me was actually watching my dad working really long hours, working weekends, not really spending that much quality time with the family. Started educating myself and learning about property fundamentals and how to build my wealth safely over time to ensure that I can spend as much quality time with the family.
Awesome. Some great insights there as always. Thanks for sharing with our viewers what you share with your clients and our investors every day of the week. Appreciate you joining us.
Yeah, thanks, Michael. See you soon. Cheers.